listen, man, listen. This thing right here wasn't given. I'm whipping this to precision. Before you talk, homie, listen. They love me for my ambition. Paper chase, palm itching. I brag different. The flow ignorant. Got them hooked, they kept fishing. You popped off but play victim. Look how the plot be twisting.
What up, Team Buckhouse? Welcome to the top of Mammoth. We're starting today's video from the very top. And we got a crew.
What up?
It's gonna be a good day. Alright, Cody, we'll keep it mellow. Let's go look at some rocks. Look at some rocks. Oh, dude. I found some rocks to look at. Not first run. So the fun thing about springtime snowboarding is the big mountain stuff that's normally super icy or firm, it gets so soft and potatoey, and so it's almost like powder riding. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like it was like a 10 inch plus pow day. It's like the same feeling when you're riding this kind of like super steep gnarliness. We're gonna find some jumps. Everything. This is literally first run, so we're warming up. It's also kind of tricky to film on this stuff, so shout out to Cody. Turning so well. One time I've fallen, like I slipped out on a run like this, and there was a rock below me, and I couldn't do anything but like take it to the board. And that was at Beartooth Basin, like the steepest, I think one of the steepest places I've ever snowboarded. Ooh. Woo. I see a jump right there. Whoa. I almost died. I wanted to hit this, kind of like we lost all our speed. Let's see if we can see that keyhole. I don't see it. The snow's so grabby. Switch mogul. We played around these rocks the other day. It was fun. Do you see how big these rocks are? How'd you get up there, Kenny?
On top of the world.
You really are. You should jump. Not joking. Don't do that. That is such a big rock.
Rocks? They're freaking rocks, man.
Yeah, they rocks. We gotta stay higher.
Yeah.
This stuff's pretty bad. Very hard to turn. So we decided today for the last day we're gonna kind of just like rip the mountain, but we gotta rip the higher part of it because this lower section is just too melted away and potatoey and whatnot and slow,
dirty,
grabby. So we got to do the chairlift with the cool like terminal. Do you guys know what else is better, like just with like steep terrain or on steep terrain? Today's sticker shout out. We got Andrew with the white sticker on the nose of the board. Look at Insane Man. Thanks for snagging Evolution sticker. As always, we got the man, the myth, the legend, Michael rocking the Evolution windbreaker and the Pro Model goggles, which I'm not rocking either of those today because it's just way too hot. Like this is like it's supposed to get almost to 80 today. So, dude, thank you so much for snagging the merch, dude. Supporting the dream, guys. If you want any of our Evolution merch, like the stickers, the hoodies, t-shirts, the long sleeves, if you're a skier, we do a ski version of the Evolution sticker. All of our merch is linked down below if you do snag it. It's how we do trips to Mammoth and are out here for so long and things like that. You guys supporting the channel by snagging the merch and stuff, guys. So thank you so much for everyone snagging the merch, supporting the dream. But remember, too, if you snag any of the merch, just make sure you tag me on my Instagram, and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout-outs in the vlogs like I just did, as well as follow them for bonus extra content. We film stuff while we're out here on trips and things like that. A lot of things that might not make the vlog, but it's just like the behind the scenes of the trips and things. They're so fun. So follow the Instagram and the TikTok. And then enough talking, we're exploring this mountain. We're doing what we should have done, but at the same time, I like all the park riding we did. My body's also tired after as many days of park riding as we did, and then we got back into skateboarding. I took a lot of skate slams. So like riding the mountains just feels right. Like today, Here we go. There's like a chute over here that I saw that I'm actually really interested in before we head to that lift. So there's like this mini one, or this one that involves a jump. Oh yeah. Yeah, Kenny! Sounds fun. I think we come back and do a different drop. Like, there's a lot of drops in this little zone, so let's ride back and then do it again. You have speed for that jump now? Good, Chris. Sorry, I tried. It smells like farts over here.
Yeah. Smells like farts. I don't even think I'm gonna get there.
Dude, I think our next run, we're gonna have this dialed. I got you though, Cody, right here. Go and switch through this. Oh, sticky. Oh, it was on point. Oh.
Get it. Go.
Oh, we can still make it. Oh, we got this. It's still a thing. We'll probably get this on like one of the last days. I gotta turn around. Oh, I got sap on me now. That's the worst. All right, 3, 2, 1. Drop.
Oh. I didn't realize we were wrapping around like that. I thought it was just the little heel.
Oh, sorry. No, that was really fun though to wrap around it. Did you get it?
Cool. Yeah.
I think so. Chris James!
I won't spray you.
Yeah, Kenny! Oh, yeah. Oh! Get it, Kenny.
Very little speed.
Speed is questionable. So watch this, guys. With the slush this much, you can like slide and break away layers. And then when you do, it exposes the subscribe button. You guys should click that. Did you do it? Okay, here we go. All right, to the mid station. Let's just go. All right, we took a little break, got the sap off the hands, and now we're gonna go do some more mountain stuff. I don't know, it's kind of nice out to be in the park, I'm not gonna lie. Getting a good, my body's beat up. They get better as you get. Oh! So you can't really get much speed for this thing. It's just kind of like a drop and then ride through the chunder.
Potatoes.
Oh, real potatoes. There is rock. We'll take it slow so we can film it. Like, if I just rip through this, Cody's not gonna get the shot. So.
It's gonna be just like the shots on the first day, except for way worse.
Look at all that sloof.
It's powder.
It's powder. It's so heavy. Woo! Yeah, Chris James. Big Mount Chris. Those are some really good turns out there, man. It's not easy to ride this steep of a steep stuff. This bull is riding so good. Chris James in our lap. Woo! Woo! Oh! Oh! I wasn't ready for that. You got it, Chris! Alright guys, this one's Chipmunk, by the way. We're out of here. Yeah, we're out of here. We had a good day. We're gonna do one last park run before we're out of here. There's like a crazy mob of people we're gonna let go for a second. Alright, here we go. Busiest place in the world. That bomb roll. Whoa. This park is faded fast, if you know what I mean. The slush is taking over. First dude in the line falls. Oh no. My gosh. Chris is like, yeah, we're good. I'm so happy we didn't try to ride park today. We're right behind this homie. Let's give it a break. Woo! Slop City. We are riding water right now. Woo! Some would call that wakeboarding.
Yeah, I know. I like it. I think this is great. I mean, it's like half wakeboarding, half snowboarding.
All right, Team Buckhouse. And with that, thank you so much for shredding with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you tomorrow with another video. You know, it's
daily, boy.
Daily on this channel.
That's a wrap on Mammoth.